This is an XML animation file. It is used to transfer animations between 3ds Max and other software. It contains motion data, not the model itself. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's animate. Our ultimate goal is to simplify the process by leveraging the advanced capabilities of one XAF file inspection software that works reliably across numerous file types. The XAF File extension is associated with Xara 3D animation tutorial files. These files contain data related to tutorials or lessons created within the Xara 3D software. They may include instructions, examples, and project files designed to guide users through the process of creating 3D animations using Xara 3D. XAF files are structured to store tutorial content in a format that Xara 3D can interpret. The internal structure may include text-based instructions, project settings, and references to example files. These files are designed to be opened and used within the Xara 3D environment to facilitate learning and skill development. To maintain file fidelity, use IMVU developed by IMVU Inc. to open XAF. Windows only supports a simple read mode, not the dedicated analysis this file needs. Windows can preview common audio formats, but detailed mixing or repair must be done in specialized tools. To determine the correct decoder, right-click the XAF file and select Open With. Prioritize IMVU if available. If it's absent, select another application. Compatibility often surprises people. When your XAF file does not open, it is usually a small issue. The problem with this XAF file isn't complicated, it's specific. We just need to verify a few key details on our checklist before moving to the fix. First, use Xara 3D. Open the file using Xara 3D, the required application for the 3D animation project. Next, check version. Ensure your Xara 3D version is compatible with the version that created the file. Finally, export to GIF AVI. Use the software's export function to render the animation as a universal format like .gif or AVE. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often the best way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. When your file is still locked, it means the file's header or structure is truly obscure. Don't waste time. FileMagick is built for this. It opens hundreds of formats and can be found at filemagick.com. Tell me the status of your file in the comments. Hit the subscription button if you want faster solutions in the future.